Greetings, kids. How are you doing today? I hope you had a great day. Today, we are going to learn about house chores that your parents or you do from time to time at home. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. First thing first, we are going to talk about the first house chore you do after washing your clothes and you need to dry them, which is called hang out the clothes or hang up the clothes. How do you do it? The words I'm going to use later are shake, prevent, wrinkling, and packs. First, take your clothes out of the washing machine and shake them off gently, as this will prevent them from wrinkling, and you can also lay them flat on top of any clean places. Then, hang the clothes on hangers and clip them with pegs. After all the clothes are hung on the hanger, the final step is to put them on a higher area, and remember to keep the area ventilated so they can dry easily. The second house chore is fold the laundry or fold the clothes. The words I'm going to use later are classify, organized, and drawer. As we begin to fold the clothes, we have to classify the items into clothes, pants, socks, and underwears. To organize t-shirts into your drawer is to fold your t-shirts with the front print of the shirt facing up, so it would be easier when you need to find your specific t-shirt. Next, here's how socks should be folded. Take both socks and lay them on top of the other. Fold the socks in half and fold it again, and then put them back to the place where they belong. The third house chore we are going to learn about is do the dishes and wash the dishes. The words I'm going to use are residue, greasy, dish soap, arrange, and scouring. First, wash away the residue from the dishes, and then classify the dishes into two parts, which are greasy and oil-free dishes, and then soak the greasier dishes into a sink or a pot filled with the mixture of water and dish soap. Start washing the non-greasy ones first, and remember to start with the bigger ones, so you can arrange them easier later. After all the cleaning is complete, arrange the dishes on a drying rack and store them after they are dry. Lastly, you must make sure the scouring sponge and sink are clean for the convenience of the next user. Next is sweep the floor. Words are move, broom, scraps, and dustpan. First, move the tables, chairs, rugs, and other obstacles on the floor. Collect the larger pieces of paper first, and next, hold the broom firmly and use it to sweep the scraps into the dustpan. The last house chore is mop the floor. Words are bucket, soak, dirt, drag, and wring. First, put the cleaner in a bucket and pour some warm water till it covers the mop's head. Soak the mop in the solution and allow it to fully absorb the cleaner. Sometimes a hard and dry mop needs to be soaked to loosen it up. Wring out the excess water. Start from the corner of your room. Drag the mop back and forth over the area. and you'll need to apply a little pressure to remove the dirt. When the mop looks dirty, soak the mop in the water again and wring it out to clean the mop. Let the mop area dry completely. Open a door or window for some air so the floor would dry quicker. Rearrange all the furniture you removed. Hang the mop up to dry when you're done mopping. And the end. So, have you kids do house chores at home? Do you think it's fun? And why do you think you or your parents need to do it? Tell your classmates. Share your thoughts with your teachers. That's all for today's class, and thank you for listening. We hope that you learned something today, and we wish you have a happy learning journey. Goodbye, everyone.